What's the meaning of blackjack? Blackjack. Blackjack.
Blackjack. Blackjack. Blackjack is a popular card game that is played in casinos around the world. It involves a player trying to beat the dealer by getting a hand that is worth more points than the dealer's without going over 21. The game is also known as 21, and it has roots that go back to 17th century Spain. The name blackjack comes from the fact that a player would receive an extra payout for getting a hand that consisted of a blackjack, a jack of spades or clubs, and an ace of spades. This winning hand was referred to as a blackjack, and it became the name of the game.